Hello friends, today we are back with another comparison video. We are going to compare the camera performance of the best from iOS and Android ecosystem. For this comparison, we are going to use an Apple iPhone XS Max and Google Pixel 2 XL. Both the phones were best when they launched and have very good cameras. The Google Pixel camera was best camera put on a smartphone when it launched 1 year back. Let's discuss a little about the camera setup for both the phones. The iPhone XS Max is having a dual camera setup in the back. One of the camera is 12 megapixel wide angle lens and second is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. This allows for some very good portrait photos as the dual camera setup allows it to the perceived depth easily and create the bokeh effect. The camera is capable of recording videos at 4K resolution at 24, 30, 60 frames per second. It can record full HD videos at 30, 60, 120, 240 frames per second. The last two are used for recording slow motion videos. On the front, it has 7 megapixel standard camera but is still able to take good selfies. Now moving to the Pixel 2 XL. It has a single 12.2 megapixel camera. Google uses its highly developed image processing algorithm to generate the same portrait effect. In most cases, Google portrait photos are in par or better than other cameras. On the front, it has 8 megapixel camera. It can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second, full HD videos at 30, 60, 120 frames per second. Now let's click some photos and videos and see how past generation Google flagship phone stands out against the current generation Apple flagship. enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.